Faking pains are lining up to get just what they want, of every kind, whatever they can get, you know. The real patients that come and go get to watch the show. In the waiting room, a young lady is throwing up, and she says that it is her time of the month, and her belly aching needs some drugs. She wants Vicodin for her pain. Faking pains are in my face here in triage, taking up our space from wall to wall. I guess I'll take one back. A faking pain said that she has fibromyalgia. The weather changes and she says it gives her hell. She needs the Lauded to make her well. She talks on herself. Faking pains are in my face here in triage. Crocodile tears, they sit and bawl. I'll take another. In the waiting room there is a man, he likes to shout that he was here before a lady with just pain. And no matter how much he complains, it's there he remains. Faking pain says that he needs a work note for his boss to show that he was in our emergency. He needs off of work a day or 3, and something for his knee, like morphine. Faking pains are in my face here in triage, taking up our space from wall to wall. I guess I'll take